And the exciting part is that this is that moment where we launch season 6 of hashtag Road Trippin' with R&M and History TV 18, and we are off for a 14-day journey, starting from the incredibly beautiful, absolutely stunning monument that you must see at least once in your life, my face.
No, no, not his face. I think he's talking about the Charminar. You know, they said Helen of Troy. Unki sakal se 1,000 ships were launched. So with Rocky Singh's face, season 6 has been launched. But the point here is that no matter what happens, rain, sunshine, thunderstorms, we will be here and we will travel the breadth and length of this country eating for you.
And I will tell you the golden words to start this season. No matter what happens, protect the biscuits. And that is the beautiful thing that's going on over here. The absolutely incredible Nimra Cafe and Bakery, which is another landmark when you come to the incredible city of Hyderabad, where we are starting season 6. Oh, I think the rain is stopped.
Yes, sir. Can we talk about the beautiful landmark behind us besides your face?
Yes.
Built in 1591 by Quli Qutb Shah.
1993.
That monument.
By the father of my friend Aslam bin Aboud.
Okay, so Rocky is talking about one monument, I'm talking about another monument, but the point is that both these are landmarks.
If you come to Charminar, you have to come to Nimra. And if you come to Nimra, you have to see the Charminar. Absolutely stunning. Even though the scaffolding and construction work hasn't stopped in the last 8 years. It's been there for 8 years at least.
Yeah, the scientist in me wants to tell you about, or the historian in me. 1591, the Charminar was built by Quli Qutb Shah. It has 4 minarets, it has 4 arches. There's apparently a secret tunnel that goes all the way from here to the Golconda Fort, but we're not going to explore that. Because we like to deal with what's in front of us, like all these amazing biscuits.
Oh my God. Nimra has 123 varieties of biscuits and snacks. And the empire started and was built on this stunner, the Osmania biscuit, the humble looking Osmania biscuit. It's not very sweet. Extremely airy. Just disappears when you take a bite of it. This is completely unique and completely delicious. So when you come down to Hyderabad, put the Osmania biscuit on your list, pass it around to your friends, they'll love it.
In fact, this is a wonderful start. Just come to the Nimra Bakery, get a whole selection of biscuits and some wonderful Irani chai and get going. Look at all this. Look at this. This is one of my favorites. It is a fruit biscuit.
There are over 15 varieties of biscuits in this one little box alone. So you can just imagine the richness. But the special thing to have over here is an Osmania biscuit and a cup of Irani chai. And just how is Irani chai made, we will tell you once we get inside. Anything else to add? Can we talk about the paneer roll? It is so good, yeah.
Yeah, but remember, because this is a bakery, so it's not just about the sweet stuff, it's also about savories. They have aloo patties, they have paneer rolls, they have pastries. They have so many things that I want to go inside and look at them. How's that?
This is new. The aloo patty and the paneer roll. Spicy, beautifully done, crumbly, crispy, fabulous. Let's just take this and go and talk about Irani chai. Come on, we'll show you how it's done. और ये है the secret behind Osmania chai, Irani chai, sorry, and that is how it's done. The concoction you're seeing going into the big pot, that is just boiling water, tea powder, tea and sugar, and that is cooked here for a long duration of time. And once it's ready in this beautiful, thick metal containers, it is then put into this for serving. And right next to it is lots of milk that has been curdled. भाई साहब ये काढ़ा को English में क्या बोलते हैं?
You basically cook the milk over slow fire, slowly to remove the water and to concentrate the flavor of the milk. But all this, what makes the Irani chai really special is these containers. Because they are not, I don't think they're ever washed with soap and water and stuff. They are cleaned out, but they maintain the flavor of that decoction, which has been happening for like decades. And that's where the flavor comes from.
Yes. And in case you've been wondering now, here's the answer. Irani chai is just the style in which it's made. It's not tea that's come from Iran. So a little bit of milk there, poured into a cup, or cups in this case. So that's 4 cups of milk gone in over there. And then you just add the concoction, the beautiful dark tea that you got over there, and voila, your cup of Irani chai is absolutely ready.
And don't be greedy. Don't come and say, oh wow, if I open this, I'll do and all this stuff. It won't happen. You'll burn your mouth.
Moon biscuit. I love these. I love these.
Osmania le le yaar, I love these.
One for you.
Beautiful. This is what this place is known for. They just melt in your mouth.
Fantastic. Oh, jam biscuits, jam biscuits. All these biscuits have come just fresh out of the bakery, out of the oven.
By control. At some stage, paise bhi dene, we have to pay.
How dare you? Please don't suggest that, sir. Everybody knows I don't pay. Everybody knows.
Yes, everybody knows that Rocky doesn't pay. What everybody doesn't know is that Mayur always ends up paying for Rocky and Mayur.
You've been paying all this time?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
I never knew that.
Yeah, but my life has become really easy now.
How's that?
Come, I'll show you. Here's where I come. I open my PostPay app. I get the scan and the pay. And now I put in the numbers and
just
they're all done.
He said I don't pay and he just finished paying. The cash has gone out of your account, huh?
Aha! No, the cash is not gone. This is a no cash transaction right now. I get an itemized bill at the end of the month and then I pay.
De dena aaram se.
Ooh, that's a nice tagline, man. Besides the convenience.
Look, my condition is, as long as right now I don't pay, I'm absolutely fine with it. But De dena aaram se is a good tagline because you're paying at the end of the month, not
Correct.
right now.
Correct.
I'm very impressed with
Can
that.
we leave now?
I'm very happy about it.
Can we leave now?
You hold this.
Yeah.
And please, let them know what you feel because I'm taking a last minute gift. De dena aaram se. Don't pay.